Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tejasvi Bodjalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. Many women suffer from burning sensation, tingling and also soreness in the private part region and hesitate to talk about this condition. This is the most common condition and misdiagnosed condition called as genital herpes. In this video, we will mainly understand what is genital herpes, its signs and symptoms, causes and risk factors, treatment options, precautions, and neglecting complications. I can explain this clearly on the board, so let's move on to the board. What is genital herpes? Genital herpes is a sexually transmitted viral infection, meaning but this is mainly transmitted through sexual contact. It is mainly caused by virus infection that is of HSV variant. It is again of two variants, HSV1 and HSV2 forms. Whenever this virus enters in your body, it can remain in a lifetime without any symptoms. Even though without any symptoms, it can react to whenever the triggering factors may be seen. It is mainly characterized by presence of painful blisters in the private part region along with itching and burning sensation. It can also cause physical damage and along with some emotional damage in the woman. This is all about the herpes simplex virus. Now let us understand what are the signs and symptoms of this herpes infection. Usually the woman is suffering with this infection complaining of the painful small blisters or pimples in the private part region, especially around the vagina or in the vulval area. So presence of these blisters also complaining of pain and itching in the genital area. Whenever these blisters may open or break out, it can cause some bleeding or pus from the blisters and results in the formation of ulcers in the neglecting cases. And also, these blisters also cause tingling or burning sensation in the private part region. Next symptom is when the woman suffering from these genital herpes also complaining of pain while passing urine. It means burning sensation whenever she urinates. So sometimes it may be mimicked with urinary tract infections. When it is a first time attack, the woman may suffer from severe body pain, severe fever, and also with headache symptoms. Women can also notice some small nodular growths in the private part region. This is nothing but the lymphatic enlargement. Next one is there is continuous tingling or burning sensation in the private part region. This tingling sensation also characterizes the reactivation of the virus in the body. It is a lifetime infection. This infection can be remain in the woman without any symptoms. Whenever the triggering factors may arise, the virus may become reactive again. Now let us discuss what are the causes and risk factors for this herpes simplex virus. Here the factors plays an important role. One is the direct skin to skin contact. These genital herpes mainly transmitted through sexual contact, that too of skin to skin contact. The sexual act may be of vaginal or other types of sexual activity. Even a single unprotected sexual act can increase the risk of getting this herpes simplex virus. Even a single unprotected sexual intercourse can increase the chance of getting herpes simplex. Next one is having multiple partners can also increase the chance of getting this infection. When the woman is of pregnant, the infection is directly spread from mother to the baby through the normal delivery vaginal process. Apart from these contacts and also apart from these physical factors, these virus also reactivate whenever your immunity becomes weak, and also stress and fatigue also increases the chance of getting this reactivation. So herpes simplex is a lifetime infection, but some triggering factors also increase the chance of this recurrence. It is mainly transmitted through genital fluid. Even a fluid contact through the external articles also spread of this infection. Next one is oral contact. Oral contact also increases the chance of getting this infection through discharge from these blisters. Next one is touching sores. Whenever we touch the genital sores or any ulcerations in the sores, the chance of getting infection is more. Next one is skin to skin contact. Skin to skin contact plays a major role in the transmission of this herpes simplex virus. All these are the factors causing the herpes virus. Now let us discuss what are the investigations to diagnose the genital herpes. This investigation is mainly depends upon the clinical history. Doctor can visualize or to examine the private part region to diagnose this condition. When there is presence of blisters or any ulceration in the private part region is the main characteristic feature of this genital herpes. Along with some HSP PCR test may be advised. This is the gold standard test to diagnose this genital herpes. And also viral culture from the flesh blister. It means some discharge may be taken from the blisters like pimples. That discharge may be cultured in the laboratory to diagnose the cause of infection. And also some blood tests may be advised. Blood tests for IgG antibodies or IgM antibodies to detect whether it is a first time infection or the recurrent infection. And also screening for other STIs may be indicated. It means whether it is a purely genital herpes or any other sexually transmitted diseases should be identified. So STI screening. All these investigations helps to diagnose this condition clearly. After diagnosis, treatment will be started. Now let us discuss what are the treatment options available for this genital herpes. Among these conventional treatment, there is no specific drug for this genital herpes in conventional treatment. They can provide antiviral drugs because this is mainly caused by the HSV virus. That's why they are given antiviral drugs. Long-term use of these antiviral drugs not only removes the pain and tingling sensation in the private part region, it can also decrease our immunity. Whenever the immunity becomes weak, the relapse of these genital herpes may be occurs. Prolonged use of these antiviral drugs and painkillers can cause long-term dependency. This long-term dependency also causes some lot of side effects. It means it doesn't control the recurrent episode, and it can also worsen the immunity system that leads to severe organ damage. Next one is it doesn't strengthen upon our immunity. It doesn't focus on our emotional impact. So conventional treatment gives temporary relief only and also long-term dependency. In these cases, many women are searching for the supportive and long-term care treatment. That is nothing but the homeopathy treatment. Homeopathy is mainly based upon the individualized treatment. Here the medicines are selected based upon the type of discharge, the pain sensation, the nature of the body, and it is purely of individualized system. Next one is homeopathy aims to reduce the pain, swelling, tingling sensation, and also discharge from the blisters. And it can also control the formation of blisters into ulcers. Homeopathy medicines also control the further recurrence of the genital herpes. It can also strengthen our immune system to fight against these viruses and also improve our immunity to fight against the other sexually transmitted infections. Homeopathic medicines are safe, effective, and timed. It means there is no side effects and also there is no artificial hormones and antiviral drugs. These medicines are depends upon natural sources, so there is no side effects and there is no long-term dependency. Homeopathic medicines aims to control the further recurrence. When we diagnose this case early with right homeopathic treatment, we can control the further recurrence of these genital herpes. So homeopathy is the best in case of genital herpes condition. Along with homeopathic treatment, certain precautions helps to control the further transmission and also control the severity of these genital herpes. Among these, the first most factor is avoid sexual contact when there is virus in active form. By this avoidance, we can control the transmission of these virus to partners. Next one is use condoms and dental arms to control the transmission of this infection. Among this, regular screening of STIs may be necessary to control to control or to diagnose the further STIs. Next one is avoid contact when there is the active form of this virus infection. It means the presence of any blisters or any ulceration in the private part region. Next one is be transparent with your partner. This transparency helps to maintain emotional state and also prevent the spread of infection. Next one is don't share your personal items with anyone. Next one is maintain hand hygiene. Why means by following these simple lifestyle precautions, you can control the further transmission of this infection and also helps to control the recurrent episodes. Along with some maintaining healthy body weight and also maintaining balanced diet rich in nutritious food along with some supplements and also protein food, decrease the stress levels and also regular exercise helps to control the immunity system. All this can boost your immune system to fight against this genital herpes. Next one is what happens if we neglect the genital herpes condition. If we neglect this genital herpes condition, it can result in the further recurrence of these genital blisters. It means in first episode, the genital blisters may be reduced up to 6 weeks. After that, again some triggering factors like stress levels, fatigue, and also lifestyle factors can promote the further reactivation of these viruses that results in further ulcer formation and also weakens your immune system. It can not only damage your private part region, it can also cause emotional discomfort. The woman will suffer from lack of confidence, anxiety, and fear about the condition. Next one is these genital ulcers also increase the transmission of further infections like HIV infection that can totally damage your immune system. Next one is when the woman is in pregnant state, the genital herpes may be transmitted from mother to child without any symptoms in the private part region. So, asymptomatic transmission may be spread from mother to baby also. Next one is when we neglect these genital ulcers and participate in sexual act when you are in active state, that results in that further transmission of this infection to your partner also. It can not only disturb your private part region, it can also damage your overall immunity system and also causes blisters in the other body organs. So this is all about the neglecting complications of genital herpes. If you are suffering from these genital herpes, Fidicus homeopathy is the best option. What do you get from Fidicus homeopathy means? The success of case mainly depends upon the three main steps. One is the treating doctor, second one is the drug device we are following, third one is the infrastructure we have. At Fidicus Homeopathy, doctors are with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience, competence, and compassion. The drug device we are following is a top quality medicine. We are getting our medicine from best pharmaceutical industries. In treatment option, we are using latest technology and artificial intelligence. By using this option, you can give better results to the patient. Now let us discuss what are the consultations available in Fidicus Homeopathy. Fidicus Homeopathy provides two types of consultation. One is online consultation, second one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call options are available. By using this option, you can share your reports to us. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get it back locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taken, the main treatment will be started. Once the treatment is started, we will ship your medicines to your doorstep, wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to consult Fidicus Homeopathy by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. Now, how to consult Fidicus Homeopathy? This is our WhatsApp number 79971101303. By using this number, you can call or message to us to get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus Homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. You can visit our website. By this website, also you can get consultation. Why Fidicus only? There are so many corporate hospitals are there. So many homeopathic hospitals are there. Why Fidicus only means Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. And also Fidicus Homeopathy mainly follows three main principles. One is the highest success rate, second one is the transparent treatment, third one is the personal care. Regarding these genital herpes condition and also sexually transmitted infections, we are having highest success rate. And we are also providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment in the sense we can explain the condition to the patient clearly and also prognosis to the patient. Regarding this personal care, we are providing each and unique treatment to every patient and we also advise them to maintain a healthy and balanced life. All these are the advantages of selecting Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we discussed about what is genital herpes, signs and symptoms, causes and risk factors. I hope you all understood it very well. Remember, these genital herpes is manageable condition with early diagnosis and proper right treatment. If you are struggling with these genital herpes and if you have any doubts about this condition, consult Fidicus Homeopathy. Thanks for watching.
Fidicus Homeopathy.